Hello everyone, this is Naitik and today we are going to create a simple phishing site using PHP and HTML. So first of all we'll create a file called index.html, and then here we will give the title as simple phishing site, and we will create a form. So we don't need any classes because we are not going to use CSS. We are just going to create a simple basic phishing site. Okay, so here we'll give us capture.php and the method will be post. So now the first input tag will be email, so this will be email, and then the name will be email. So this name will help us to indicate the email into capture.php. So required, and then password. So I'm going to use Jam server, so you can install Jam server in Windows or Linux. I'm using Linux, so simply by typing /opt/lamp and then run the lamp start Apache, so this will start your Apache server. So the type will be password, and then the name will be password. So we are not going to give any value here, and then required. So I'm going to give a break tag here and one here. So now the last thing we are going to give is the button, which will be our submit button. So this will confirm that we have submitted our form. So now if I go to my localhost and then directory project1, so you can see here we have created a simple input tag, input form. So now we are going to create one more file called new file called capture.php, and inside this we are going to design our backend. So the first thing we are going to give the email. We are going to make a variable called email equals to $_post. So post is a global variable, so inside this we are going to give email. So this email is the name we have given inside our index.html file, and then one more variable called password equals to $_post, and then password. So don't forget to give the semicolon. Whoa. You know, if we miss the semicolon, then everything will be dead. So now we have grabbed our email and password, so we are going to create one more file, echo credential.txt. so inside this we will store our credential grabbed by the phishing site. So I have provided the okay, so I have provided a permission to my txt file. So now we are going to do fopen. So let me make a variable called file. Inside file we are going to open our credential.txt file, credential.txt as append mode. So now we are going to write fwrite, and we are going to write inside our file. So username equals to dot dollar email dot, we are going to break the line, so f.write, and then we are going to write inside our file. The last thing we are going to write will be our password. So actually this dot will work as plus. In Python we use plus, so in PHP we use the full stop. What do you say to this? Full stop. So then we are going to call our password variable, and we are going to give a new line. So yeah, don't forget to close your file. Yeah, and the last heart attack we are going to give to our friend will be a message, and the message will be, you have been hacked. So our index is ready, our captcha is ready, and inside our credential you can see this is empty. So now I will rerun this, and then I'm going to type nico123@gmail.com, and the password will be nico1234. And if I submit this, so you can see you have been hacked, and the password and the email is inside our user name equals to Nico, and the password equals to Nico1234. So we can see we have created a simple phishing site using PHP HTML. So in the next video we will do some upgrade to our this simple basic phishing site, and we are going to use the template of Facebook or Instagram. So have a nice day, and yeah, if you want any help, then contact me in my Instagram account. The link will be below. Okay, goodbye.